Hi everyone, I'm Leena. Welcome to Spicebox, my YouTube video channel. Today we are going to make a dish called Sprouted Moong Pulao, which is very simple to make. So let's go and get it done. To make this pulao, I have soaked 1 cup of rice in water, a half cup of sprouted moong boiled, half cup of onions sliced. I have 1 teaspoon of chopped mint, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of ginger chopped, few curry leaves, 4 green chilies, some cloves, green cardamom, 5 of them, black pepper half teaspoon, 1 bay leaf, 1 piece of cinnamon stick and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then you need salt to taste and 3 tablespoons of oil. In a pan, pour 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put the cinnamon stick, the bay leaves, cloves, few cardamoms. Now you add the black pepper to it. Add the ginger, garlic, the cumin seeds and the fennel seeds. Stir well. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and when the garlic and the ginger gets a light brown color, add the curry leaves and the green chilies to it. Now add the sliced onions to it and make sure the onions are translucent, so you might have to cook for a few minutes. So I'm going to add a little more oil to it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro leaves and chopped mint leaves. Cook till onions are light brown. Now the onions have turned light brown. Add the sprouted moong into it and mix it well. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Now add the soaked rice and mix the rice well. Put the rice into the mixer and stir it well. The rice will change color, and that's the time pour 1 cup of water into it. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. At this time, add salt to taste. This is how the rice should look. Just turn the gas to the low and cover it and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. This is all cooked. We are going to just transfer it into a serving dish and we are going to taste it. I have garnished the rice with a little more sprouted moong and some chopped cilantro, and hope you all like it. Now we made the sprouted moong pulao. It looks really good and it tastes good, but I made it according to my recipe, so I want you guys to try it at home and let me know how it tastes. So if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Please keep safe and keep smiling.